To make Google Wallet more secure, start by enabling two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account by requiring a verification code sent to your phone or email in addition to your password. Go to the Google account settings and select Security. Then click on Two-Factor Authentication and follow the prompts to set it up. Next, make sure your password is strong and unique. Avoid using easily guessable information such as your name or birth date, and use a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. You can also use a password manager to generate and store complex passwords. Another important step is to monitor your account activity regularly. Check your transaction history and account settings to ensure that everything looks correct. If you notice any suspicious activity, report it to Google immediately. It is also essential to keep your device and Google Wallet app up to date. Updates often include security patches and bug fixes that can help protect your account from vulnerabilities. Enable automatic updates on your device to ensure you have the latest version of the app. Additionally, be cautious when using public computers or public Wi-Fi to access your Google Wallet account. Public computers and Wi-Fi networks may not be secure, and using them to access your account can put your information at risk. If you need to access your account on a public computer, make sure to log out when you are finished and do not save your login information. Finally, consider adding a Google Wallet card or account to a secure digital wallet service. These services provide an additional layer of protection and can help to prevent unauthorized transactions. By following these steps, you can significantly improve the security of your Google Wallet account and protect your financial information. Remember to always be vigilant and monitor your account activity regularly to ensure that your information remains safe.